Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to our podcast. My name is Faris Muhammad Zaki. I am the moderator for the podcast today. And here I am with my friends.
Hello, my name is Thomas Leorianda.
My name is Zaki.
I'm Joko Palindra.
Hello, my name is Atal Meldindra.
And today we are gonna talk about something we all almost use every day: social media. The topic is social media does more harm than good. Sounds a bit dramatic, right? Okay, let's go ahead. Start simple. What do you guys think? Agree or disagree? I think Thomas, for this one, go ahead.
Alright, thanks. Honestly, I agree with the statement. I mean, social media can really mess with people's minds. Like people keep comparing their life to others. Or they richer, happier, more successful, and it just makes you feel worse about yourself. Also, it's super addictive. You open Instagram for 5 minutes, suddenly it's been 2 hours. So yeah, I think the bad effects are pretty real.
Oh. Yeah, that 5 minutes into 2 hours is too relatable. Okay, Penustur Azan, do you agree or do you have a different take?
I get your point, but I don't fully agree. I think social media actually helps a lot. Like we can stay connected with friends even if they are far away. And also a lot of people use social media to learn things, tutorials, news, even study content. And don't forget, many small business grow because of social media. So for me, it's not mostly harmful.
Okay, nice. So we got some disagreement here. Pendestri, what do you think? Are you team harm or team benefit?
Okay, honestly, I'm in the middle. I think social media itself is not the problem. It's how people use it. Like if you use it for learning or business, it's great. But if you just scroll all day and compare yourself to others, yeah, that's when it become harmful. So I'd say really depends on the user.
Okay. That's right. Alright, Penestri, what is your opinion?
I actually agree that social media does more harm, but for a different reason. Fake news. There's so much misinformation online, and people just believe it without checking. And sometimes it spreads fast and cause panic. There's so much misinformation online, and people just believe it without checking. And sometimes it spreads really fast and cause panics or even arguments. So yeah, I think that's a big problem too.
Interesting. Yeah. Fake news is everywhere these days. Okay, before we wrap up, anyone want to respond to each other?
Yeah, I want to respond that. I agree fake news is a problem, but I think it's more about the users. People should learn to think critically, not just blame social media.
Okay.
True, but I still think the platform should control content better because not everyone is aware of fake news.
Okay, that's it, everyone. This is getting interesting, but I think we have to stop here. So from this discussion, we can see that social media has both good and bad sides. It really depends on how we use it today. Okay, thank you everyone for sharing your thoughts today. And this is wrap up this session. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Langsung aja.